Ogobuchi. Ogobuchi! Huh? So this is room and parlor. Ogobuchi, which responsible African woman will still be sleeping not even in the room, inside the house? It's outside. You've taken, yes, your room and parlor, comfortable bed by this time of the day.
Mama, everywhere is hot, so I just decided to stay here. I'm so weak. I was feeling so weak.
That was the same thing you said yesterday. This same thing happened yesterday. Ogobuchi, you have changed. This is not Ogobuchi I know. You have changed.
Mama.
What? Hey! Hey! Chineke me! No, Gwen. Ogobuchi has killed me. How more? Hey! Hey! Mama, wait.
Who is responsible for pregnancy?
I'll stop.
Who did this to you?
I don't know. I don't know how it happened. I think I was hypnotized. I don't know. I think they used juju on me. I don't know.
This is unbelievable. You don't know who got you pregnant?
No.
Ogobuchi, have you seen yourself? Have you seen what you have done to yourself? You have dragged the name of this Christian family to the mud. I want you, I begged you to stay away from these village fools, these village urchins. But you wouldn't listen. I am grossly disappointed at you. I am so disappointed at you.
Woman, enough of those crocodile tears. You refuse to give your daughter close marking. Whenever I complained about her staying and keeping late nights, what do you tell me? She's an adult. Now look at her. An adult has lost control and got pregnant. For nobody. Nobody! A dog trained by a woman will eat egg. And I am giving you 2 days. 2 days to come and tell me who is responsible for that thing in your stomach. That thing!
You failed me. You backstabbed me.
Mama, no. Please. Mama, I'm so sorry. Please help me beg Papa to forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You people cannot abandon me. Please. Mama, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What am I going to do? How do I explain that at my age, I cannot identify who is responsible for my pregnancy? Am I that loose? Hi, this is not a favorable experience at all. Oh. Who could help me for this kind of situation? I have failed myself and my parents. I think I have to talk to Somadina. Yes, I have to talk to Somadina.
It wasn't intention.
It's okay.
Yeah. So, sir, this Sunday is my son's dedication. I'm inviting you for you to be my special guest on that very day.
Oh. Oh. A good one. Okay, you're now a big boy. It's okay. You know, you served me. Okay? And no matter what happened, you're still my boy. I'll keep the card, but I have to give you back the drink. But be rest assured, I'll be there for you.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay.
Your wisdom is quite manifesting. I'm happy to have you as a good sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Don't worry, I'll be there for you.
All right, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, yeah. It's okay.
There's a big problem.
Again?
Again. I'm pregnant.
Hey!
Now, are you shouting? I mean, I've not seen my monthly period. And it's almost month end.
Who's responsible? Eh? Hey.
That's the problem. I don't know who's responsible. See the thing, let me explain now. Which one is hey? I came here for
I'm
you
listening, I'm listening. You're making me feel something. I'm listening.
The other day, Nami and Emeka been there. Then the other day, I was now with Obinna. Then the previous day, I was now with Nana the Baba at the junction. The truth is that I am confused. I don't know.
Hey, I want you, I want you to stop this kind of life from one person to another person.
Are you now blaming me?
What do we do now? What do we do?
I don't know if I know what to do. Will I call you? Is that not why I called you out so that your mother will not hear what we are saying? Please now, what do I do?
Okay, see what happened. Let's do this. Let's pin it on Emeka. Or you look famous and do abortion now.
God forbid! Shut up, you know what you're saying? Abortion? Do you know what abortion is? Yeah, God forbid. More abortion. Do you know what you're saying?
I know what I'm saying now. Hey, you asked for my opinion and this is it. Like,
just like I should go to the riverside and drown. Also, this shame used
it has not gotten to that.
Okay, what do I do now?
Is
there no other option?
I don't know. I don't have any other thing to say. I don't have any other option.
I told you to stay warm. Please stay warm. If I caught you now, I'll kill myself. I will hurt myself. Now look at what you have put me.
No, it does not go into that now. It does not go into that.
It's very everywhere. And I'm a pium. Now look at the problem you have
it has happened.
Look at the problem. Ogobuchi, I am so ashamed of you. How can you open that mouth and say you do not know who is responsible for your pregnancy? At this your age, how is that possible? When you're throwing your legs open, meaning out of the sweetness, you couldn't look at the face of the person that was doing it to you. Is that what you're telling me? To tell you the truth, I don't know. I don't know who is responsible. I don't know who did this to me. Honestly. Which means there were many. You don't know who is who. Are you that loose? Are you that promiscuous? Where did you learn that from?
Hey! Who taught you that? Start talking.
I'm sorry. I don't know how you...
Start talking before I burn you to ashes. Start talking now.
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Sorry is not the answer. I want to know who is responsible, whose child you're carrying.
Onyeko. Model.
Hello, girls.
Good afternoon. Miss Ward. Come, Miss Ward.
Oh, God. So, Madina, you don't remember me again?
Chimamanda!
It's not Chimamanda, please. It's Amanda.
Baby, who borrowed the wig and gown? What is happening here? Is this your car?
Of course, this is one of my cars.
Hey! One of your cars. How many calls do you have?
I have as much as possible.
Hey! Chimamanda!
Hey! Nice to see you guys.
You're smelling fine, oh.
When we finish work, I asked you girls to follow me to the city, to Lagos, to hustle. But you said no. You want to follow that village, that village boy.
That was then. See, I get them before, Jalo. I get them before no be property. Now I want to go with you. Let me enter this car. I want to enter this car and go to city.
You want to go to city when you're pregnant?
What? You're pregnant?
It's small pregnancy, my sister. It's just small pregnancy.
Anyways, you can't go to Lagos like this. You can't. But you know what will happen? Just when you are done with this pregnancy thing, then I will take you to Lagos. I'll take you away.
You will take me to Lagos?
So
Chimamanda!
You see money.
Hey, Lagos!
Is he your driver?
Yes, of course. That's one of my drivers.
The driver is fine like this.
Hey.
Chimamanda!
Wow.
Please, do 360, let me see. Hey!
Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I'm rushing to one of my sites now. I'm building one big hotel.
You're building what?
Hotel, of course.
Also hotel. Hey!
Don't worry. I will call you before I leave the village, okay? Alright, guys. Bye-bye.
Let's go, Abi.
Honey? What is wrong? Why are you moody?
Do you remember my boy? My boy Yokichuku?
Of course.
I met him earlier today. He gave me an invitation card for his child dedication.
Wow.
Not just child dedication, his he's dedicating his son.
That's good. So, what has that got to do with your mood?
We have been married for 12 solid good years.
12 good years, yes.
12 good years. You've not been able to give me a son.
Don't be ridiculous, Vitalis. I am not God that gives children. And let me remind you, I am pregnant. And I will give birth to whatever it is you deposited inside, whether boy or a girl. Should be grateful to God. Children are blessings from God, and we should be happy. Okay? Okay, honey. Honey.
Anisha! Bros, they go, Anisha! Anisha! Where they go, Anisha?
Lagos. Bus to Lagos.
If you want to go Lagos, you go from here to reach Onisha first now. Then when you reach Onisha, you can enter bus to go Lagos.
Okay, how much to go to the Lagos?
To Lagos? No, first of all, you go reach Onisha here. At least from here to Onisha now, 2,500. Then from Onisha, you can enter bus. If you want to enter night bus, now 10,000 naira.
10 guinea?
Night bus, 10,000 naira.
I want to now go in the morning.
To Lagos, now 30,000 though.
30? Jesus!
Why you shout now? You dey enter? I just triple remain now. Anisha!
Night bus 10,000.
Anisha! Ross! You dey go Anisha? Now two remain.
Ogabuchi, you called us out here, and it's been 5 minutes. You are yet to say a word. Why are we here?
I want to go to Lagos.
Once again.
What? What did you just say?
Chimamanda, daughter of Mazi Asobi, said that if we go to Lagos, that we are going to make it, and we should come to Lagos.
We? Did you just say we? Yes. Because who are the we? Are we included?
No, me and Somadina.
Who do you know in Lagos? Eh? If you go to Lagos, where are you going to stay in Lagos? And then, where will you get the money to go to Lagos?
That's why I called you both. I just want you people to give me transport fare to go to Lagos. That's all.
Transport.
Ogobuchi, you are pregnant. And in the next 4 to 5 months, you've delivered of your baby. When you deliver this baby, who will help you in that Lagos? Or will you want to come back to this village to nurse the baby?
I can take care of myself.
Look who's talking.
Oh.
Can we is Yoko? Lagos aboro Madam Tielum extra meat. Makani ego. Lagos is a big city. You cannot go to Lagos in this condition. Because if you are going to Lagos, you must prepare yourself. You must be loaded with cash. I was just trying to save money so that you can start going to antenatal before you came up with this idea.
Papa,
suit yourself.
I don't want you people to advise me. All I want you people to do is just give me transport. That's all I want.
No, her mind is made up.
So why did you call us out here? To mock us or to ridicule us?
To give me transport to Lagos.
To give me transport. Since you have made up your mind to go to Lagos, then find your way to Lagos.
For instituting the meeting, you have plans.
Yes.
To enjoy the plans, since you have made up your mind. Don't bring us into it.
Suit yourself.
When people are like this, don't have sense. One, you don't even know who is responsible for the baby. Now you want to go to Lagos to go and deceive yourself and fool yourself over there.
I know why I'm saying this, Vita. You know you're not getting younger. Better get a woman who is potent that will give you a male child.
Sister, my wife is already pregnant. And I believe she will give me children, not just children, but male children.
How sure are you? How sure are you? Your wife that is almost there in her menopause. How sure are you that she will give you male children? This one that has vaginal acidity, that if you put it in, by the time the thing goes in, the acid will kill everything.
And how sure are you that the second wife you're encouraging me to take will come to this house and give me male children? Sister, listen. God is the giver of children. And in his own time, he will give me children. Like I said, not just children, but male children.
God is the giver of children, and in his own time. Let me tell you. The kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the violent take it by force. You know why? Because they know what they want. Get a new wife. Get a new wife, fresh blood. That will give you what we want. I'll say, God is the giver. You help yourself first. Your wife now menopause. Menopause. Don't say I did not tell you, because tomorrow people will say, where was Nnedima? Don't say I did not tell you. You will not close our lineage. God forbid. Okay, meme. It will not close in your own time.
Are you done talking? Sister, I want you to know that man's finishing point is God's starting point. When you're done, my door is open. You can take a walk. But right now, I have a very important meeting to attend. Have a nice day.
Vitalis, don't tell me you're working out on me. Vitalis! Oh, look at you. So you're not proving stubborn. It's your name, if you name. So bad wrong. I'm waiting for you.
How have you been like this? What is wrong now? You've been like this all day. Come on, talk to me.
Clems, you will not understand.
Man, I'm not blocked upstairs. At least you should tell me first. The problem she is probably half solved.
Clems, when my father was alive, he bitterly complained that he would love to see me dedicate my male child. That never happened until he died. Now my sister traveled all the way from Port Harcourt to this place just to tell me the importance of having a male child. Listen. She went further to buttress something about my native name, Ahamefuna. Ahamefuna means my name will not be cut short. And so she went further to buttress why that name was given to me, so the family lineage will not be cut short. I am confused because as far as I am concerned, a child is a child. And so why lay this emphasis on the male child?
Ma, your sister was right.
Excuse me?
Yes, she was. Do you know my son was adopted?
What?
Oh, you don't know. Well, after many years of trying to conceive, and we couldn't, we have no other option than to adopt his son. And my wife agreed on it, that's why we were able to do it. I wouldn't have done it if I didn't have good reason to. You understand? So, well, if you, I would advise you adopt his son, or if you can't do that, maybe because of your wife, you can just marry another wife and then you can bear your son. You see, I'm just saying, it's not like I'm saying you should do it. I'm just trying to advise you as my friend, you understand? So it's not like I really want you to do that. But you need to know the importance, you understand? So, you understand? Your sister also gave you the reason to do that. So, can we just go? Can we go now?
Why you dey laugh like winch? Wetin I talk with dey funny?
Do you know you're pregnant?
Uh-huh.
Like you are pregnant?
No, wait. Let me go and bring speaker for you so that you
Who do you know in Lagos you want to go and
close
stay
your
with?
mouth. Why you shouting?
But who do you know in Lagos you want to go and stay with?
Who did Chimamanda know in Lagos where she go stay with? Eh? Who Chimamanda know for Lagos? See, let me just tell you, I have made up my mind. I am going to Lagos. In fact, just call me Sisi Eko in Lagos.
Eh?
Are you going with me or not?
Yeah.
Eh?
I'm not going with you, Onne. I'm not going with you. I'm going to remain in this village. I'm going to remain with my OC. Do you want all these small Pinchon village girls to collect my OC from me?
So your life is about OC?
Yeah, Onne. If you like, go to Lagos, go to America, Kenkos, or the West or East. Home is the best. I'm not going. Go.
How are you?
I'm fine right now.
Do you guys have any problem?
Oh, my love, come, let I have this. Come and sit down now. I have this too. Don't mind dog about you. Do you know that she wants to go to Lagos? And she wants me to follow her and go to Lagos.
Eh? And what did you tell her?
I thought I'm not going now. I thought I cannot leave my OC in this village for all these village girls to collect him from me. I'll stay here with you.
I trust you.
OC, listen. See, why don't you bring small money and give my parents to come and pay my bride price? Eh?
I have told you about this. Calm down. Calm down. I want our wedding to be the talk of the town. I don't want to do this paper bag marriage. Calm down. I will make money.
Okay.
I will marry you.
I trust you, my love.
So what do you say? Let's go somewhere now.
Okay, I'm listening. Let's go.
Where is this girl? I want to go to Obofia and check my palm tree. I want you to clean this compound. At least do something positive for your life, for once. By the way, where is your mother?
She went to clean the church with Mama Somadina.
If she comes back, tell her to go to Oboduku and collect my money from Ichie and Zechinachi.
Please don't allow the enemies come between our Christian faith. Please.
I am tired. I am tired of waiting upon the Lord. I need a son. I need a son so the family lineage will not be cut off. Is that too much of me to ask?
Honey, children are gifts from God. And you've always told me that whether a boy or a girl, that a child is a child. Why the sudden change?
Look at me. Take a critical look at me. Am I getting younger to you?
Honey, I'm not barren. I am not.
I can see that. But I need a son. Give me a child. Give me a son. I need a son so my lineage will not be cut off. That is all I ask of you.
Honey, is that why you did not eat your food?
Why? I am done. I am done talking about this topic. Please, I'm done.
On earth is this girl?
No, honestly speaking, I don't know. Ejikwa wanya na achọ essence. I've gone to the back. I did not see her.
Well, let her go wherever she wants to go. All I want is for her to come back and park my bicycle wherever she picked it from.
But is it possible she would have gone to her maternal home with her subordinate? Maybe that one probably escorted her to her maternal home.
Ever since your daughter got pregnant, she's been possessed by evil spirits. That is why she's been behaving so strange lately. Can't you see that?
Wait a minute. Is it possible she could have taken your bicycle to transport herself to the city? Eh?
Your daughter has a daring heart and may attempt an impossible mission due to her ignorance and naivety. But I doubt if she will do something like that. I doubt it.
Your bicycle.
Let's
go and look for her now. I know.
Look for her where?
Go to the back there and go and look for her. Let me go back to go and look for her.
Back, I'm going in.
I don't know why you're like this. Eh? But when I get Maduku?
My brain they calculate small. I don't know who put them there, but it's a blessing. At least I no go feel alone. Something they tell me say na destiny. Lagos here I come. I go journey like Moses so. Nothing free to stop me. If I see ocean, I go cross. Lagos, here I come. I go journey like Moses. Me, I go hold my breath if you mean to swim an ocean. I've been searching. See, I've been yearning for mine. If you see one strolling down the road, would you give me a call? See, I've been searching. See, I've been fighting for mine. Want to hold you tight, look in your eyes and call you my baby boy. Lagos, here I come. I go journey like Moses so. Nothing free to stop me. If I see ocean, I go cross. Lagos, here I come. I go journey like Moses. Me, I go hold my breath if you mean to swim an ocean. Yeah. Be my woman. Me, I go hold my my breath if you meant to swim my ocean. Oh, 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 oh. Hold my breath if you meant to swim my ocean. No, I have it all.
Onye no ya? Somebody.
Huh?
Good
morning, Ma.
No. I came to make some inquiry. You know, for some days now I've not seen Ogobuchi. I don't know where she is. I came to find out whether you have any idea where I could see her or where she could be staying.
Ogobuchi, Mama, I saw her last week Friday. Oh.
You saw her?
Yeah, I saw her.
Where? Tell me, where did you see her?
Hey, she said she's going to Lagos. Yes, huh? Lagos.
Lagos. Who does she know in Lagos? How? I don't have a brother. I don't have a sister. I don't have anybody in Lagos. No. Oh, she doesn't even have a sister. No, a brother. Oh.
I want her.
You want her about what?
I want to go to Lagos. But she said that Amanda, daughter of Maazi Azobi, gave her address to her place in Lagos.
Who is Amanda?
Daughter of Maazi Azobi.
No. Someone I don't believe you.
I wonder.
Can one go to Lagos with a bicycle?
Hey.
Or the possible Igwe, roll Lagos?
Okay, with you. Ma.
No.
Hey.
What?
I wonder.
No.
Hey. Mama, take it easy, oh. Hey, Mama. Hey.
Sister. Well, let's see this afternoon.
Keki me.
How do you want to get sister? But Lucy, please don't break my sister's heart.
Don't worry, she's safe, yeah?
Yeah, God. Come on, cake away, mega wage.
Listen, she's like this. You are like this. Of course, like you are like this. Either way, it's about this last soup. You make it today. You pull for a cool.
Yes.
Bushmeat. Let's go now, let's go. Time is going. Let's go. You need it today.
You did not see her? No, you did not see her too. Hey! Hey! What am I going to do? Okay, you know what? Let's go look for her this way. Okay. Come.
My brain they calculate small. I don't know who put them there, but it's a blessing. At least I no go feel alone. Something they tell me say na destiny. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses, so nothing fit to stop me. If I see ocean, I go cross. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses. Me, I go hold my breath if you mean to swim an ocean. I've been searching. See, I've been yearning for mine. If you see one strolling down the road, would you give me a call? See, I've been searching. See, I've been fighting for mine. Want to hold you tight.
My husband's character has changed since the last time the sister visited us.
What is it again this time?
What else? If not telling him to get another woman that will give him a male child.
Has it gotten to that?
My sister, it has passed more than that. And I believe my husband is gradually listening to the sister, probably to other friends out there that is advising him.
No, he shouldn't get into conclusion just like that. After all, you're pregnant, and no one knows what the child will turn out to be.
My sister, I'm afraid. I've been to several ultrasounds, and he keeps telling me different things. I will go to this one, they will tell me he's a boy. I will go to Faith Hospital and Maternity, they will tell me he's a girl. I'm confused.
Listen, Lizzie, listen to me. All hope is not lost. If this child turns out to be a girl, then we'll look for any other alternative.
Justina, let's look for that alternative now. Because in the next 5 months, it's going to be dangerous.
You're right. But I can't think of anything now. I'm just confused.
Okay, please think of something. Please.
I will. Don't worry, just cheer up, okay? Lizzie, don't worry yourself too much. Overstress yourself. When you stress your brain, when you worry too much, you will stress your brain. Don't overstress your brain, please. Calm down. Everything will be fine, okay? Lizzie, don't worry too much.
Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses, so nothing fit to stop me. If I see ocean, I go cross. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses. Me, I go hold my breath if it mean to swim my ocean. Searching, hopeless and awake, seeking for a sign. Want you in my arms when my life is fading off.
I am tired of searching for that girl. All the security men in our village and neighboring villages could not find her. What else could we do now?
No, we cannot rest until we find her. Okobuchi is our only child. Besides, she's pregnant and carrying our grandchild. Who knows? That child might be the one to take care of us during our old age. So we cannot relent until we find her.
I cannot kill myself for someone who does not want to help herself. Huh? Where has she gone now? It might be that she has gone to Lagos with my bicycle, which I know is mission impossible because she will die before she gets to Munene.
God forbid. My daughter will not die. Whatever thing you're saying, I don't care. Tomorrow, I'm going to Chimamanda's father's house to collect her address. I am heading to Lagos. Did you come? Anyhow, I will see my daughter in the street of Lagos. All I know is that I'll find her in Lagos. And I'm going to that Lagos. You're not saying anything. That means you're not going to miss me.
I should start dancing. Or maybe I should announce to the entire Umudieleke community that my wife is going to Lagos. Good news. The only advice I'm giving you, don't make it mission impossible, just like your daughter. That will be double tara on my head, please.
So that is how you want to just get rid of me and my daughter? No problem.
So
no matter what, I will go to Lagos. I trust the main man. I will not die in Lagos. My daughter will not die. Tell me where the transport is so that I can take it and go to where I want to go tomorrow.
Did you say transport?
Yes.
You can find it here.
So, honey,
yeah.
I wish you safe trip, eh?
Thank you.
And as you're going, please drive slowly. I know you like to drive speed, and this one I'm not going with you. You'll be over speeding. Please, for the sake of the baby and I, drive carefully. You hear?
I will.
And when you get there, please, my regards to Auntie Nelly.
She will hear you.
Okay, honey.
All right? Is that okay?
Honey. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Take care of yourself.
I will try.
All right then.
Don't stay too long.
No, I won't. All right.
I miss you.
I'll miss you too, honey.
Kept you now.
I cooked for you.
What would I have done without you?
Stop thanking me. I'm only carrying out my obligations as your wife to be.
I love you.
I love you too.
So what did you make?
Your favorite.
Yam and stew.
I guess.
Test it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Do you like it?
Mm.
Trust me.
You are Jeff.
Ogenede.
Yeah. Mm. You join me?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
Thank you.
There's something I want to tell you, but I don't know how you feel about it.
Hope there's no problem. Don't get me scared.
There's no problem. My brother Moses came from Abuja yesterday, and you know he's into motor business. He wants me to go with him to Abuja so I can learn the trade.
So what did you tell him?
I don't know yet.
Tell him you're not going anywhere.
But you know it's for the future. Our own future.
What future are you talking about? Sita. Ogo asked me to follow her to Lagos. I told her I will remain in this village with you. So you should do the same.
But I will come back to get you as soon as I'm settled.
Sita, don't fool me.
Obim, listen.
You can't fool me.
Obim, you know I love you. Come now. Obim, come. You get her over.
Calm down. Everything has been taken care of, okay? She was scared and she's pregnant. That's why she fainted.
Pregnant?
Yes.
Doctor, please, make sure nothing happens to the unborn child and the woman, okay?
Don't worry, nothing will happen to them.
Thank you. Can I see her?
Sure.
All right. Don't worry, okay? It's kept in a very safe place. Don't worry, when you're healed, I'll give you a bicycle so you can go back to your house, okay?
No. Okay? I won't go Lagos. I must continue my journey. In fact, I know I go reach Lagos before 6 p.m. But I go Lagos.
Calm down.
I want to go Lagos.
It's okay. She will go. I am not stopping you from going, but please, it's already late, okay?
What's in the time?
It's 40 minutes past 6.
But I go still make them now.
No, it's late. It's late. You're not too strong yet. Huh? Alright? Yeah, just be calm.
Okay, I dey hungry. I dey hungry. I pick in one chop.
Okay, what would you want to eat?
Fufu. And bitter leaf soup.
I've been searching. See, I've been yearning for mine. If you see one strolling down.
Sister, what is wrong with you?
Daddy, my sister.
Eh?
Sister wants to leave me alone in this village. Sister wants to leave me alone.
Oh, sister, leave you? How? What happened?
He told me himself. He said his brother in Abuja asked him to come. So he's going to leave me and go to Abuja.
But sister, it's a good thing now. I don't see anything bad in it. At least when he gets there and make enough money, he will come back for you. Don't you want to marry a rich husband?
Oh, you're supporting him? Eh? You are supporting him? When Agopoti asked me to follow her to the city, did I not tell her I'm going to remain in this village with him? Eh? Why can't you do the same in my own case? Why does he want to leave me? After all I've done for him?
Sister, it's for your own good.
Get out! Get out there! Get out! Get out from here also!
You drove the bicycle all the way from Omudieleke.
See, I am determined to go to Lagos, even if it will take me 1 whole year. I will get to Lagos. If I stay in the village, I have nothing to lose. If I leave, I have nothing to lose. But one thing is sure, I will soon have my own companion.
All right, I want to ask you a question. Okay? Where's the father of the baby?
That question is not necessary. It's not necessary. Why are you asking me that question? I am the mother of this child. My daughter will grow up and I will tell her who her father is. So don't ask me that question. It's not necessary. It's even your business.
Your daughter. How did you know the gender of the baby?
Ask her. Question.
Okay, I'm sorry, very sorry for asking that kind of question, okay? When you're discharged, okay, we'll go to my house. So from my house, you can now...
I'm going to Lagos. Lagos. I'm going to Lagos.
I am not disputing that fact. Sure, you go to Lagos. All I'm saying is when you're discharged, come to the house, have some rest. I will personally give you money to continue your trip to Lagos.
My brain, they calculate small.
Yeah.
I don't know who put them there, but it's a blessing. At least I no go feel alone. Something they tell me say
You didn't go to Port Harcourt again? Honey, what happened? Talk to me, what happened?
I knocked down a pregnant woman.
Did she die? Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
I rushed her to the hospital.
Okay.
The doctor promised that he can get her stabled.
Oh, God, please save the poor woman. Please help us. Oh, jeez.
Honey, are you okay? Did you sustain any injury?
I am fine.
Thank you, Jesus.
Just the shock.
Yeah, God, thank you. Okay.
Why don't we go to the room so you can just lie down and rest, okay? Let's just go.
I'm fine here.
You sure?
I just need to rest.
Sorry.
Can you fix me something to eat?
Yeah, sure, why not? Do you want swallow or something light?
Something light.
Okay, baby. I'm coming, okay?
How about Buchi? With my beautiful wife.
You're welcome. How are you feeling today? Make yourself comfortable.
No, please.
No,
Buchi, please sit here.
Stop it.
Okay, wait. I go help myself.
Sit on the chair.
Okay.
Sit down.
So, what would you want to eat?
Pancake. We don't have such in this house.
Honey?
Yes, darling.
Just go to the kitchen and fix something for her to eat, okay?
Sure. All right, my dear. Make yourself comfortable, okay?
Brother, this is your wife, fine.
Oh.
You chop better thing.
Thank you very much. Are you okay?
Okay. Hamatan, they come from here.
Oh. DSC. It's okay. Let me turn it off for you, okay?
Turn off.
Let me get the remote control.
Hey! This one you don't carry Buddha come from. From where you come from? But then this one if you jump in one leg and you will not die and I hope fire will not go.
No, my husband did not tell the sister. But that one, I know she will soon find out. I don't know if she's a witch. She gets to know everything that happens in this house.
That's how all these women go from one place to another, poke-nosing into other people's affairs. But I must tell you, my friend, it's your husband's fault.
How?
He gave her the room to poke-nose into his own marriage. No, it's his fault.
You don't know, sister.
Please forget about her. Let's say something. Madam, I don't finish.
Okay. Warm the moi that is in the fridge.
Fridge?
Yes. That thing that is in the kitchen.
Who is she?
My sister. You remember the lady I told you that my husband knocked down on his way to Port Harcourt the other day?
Oh, the timid village girl.
She's the one. We decided to bring her home. So we monitor her. She delivers of her baby.
Hope your sister-in-law does not know anything about her.
No? Why do you ask?
Better. She must not see her. In fact, she must not know anything about her. Else, she will advise your husband to take her as a second wife.
Oh, stop it. That's not possible. See, this girl is very timid. I know she can never appeal to my husband. Even if she's given to him free of charge. On my way, he won't take.
Don't gamble it, my friend. She might change because of this environment and her timidity will be removed instantly. Don't say I didn't warn you.
I'll be quite serious.
I'm very serious.
Oh, stop it.
Can't you see?
She's well packaged. Her back. My friend. Don't joke with it. She's beautiful. Front, back.
Justina, it's okay. Calm down. That's not possible. It's not gonna happen. What is it? What happened? What about the moment I asked you to boil?
Madam, as I open this thing, now you come play say Hamatan they catch. Fear can't catch me, I come close, I become be like Montreal the way that they put dead body inside.
What kind of a human being are you? Where did you even come from? No, what is wrong with you? See, I'm tired of you in this house. I'm totally fed up with you in this house.
Mommy, we don't tire of me, make I dey go now. Your husband promised me money, so I go use and go Lagos. Till now, he never still give me the money. If you don't tire, make I dey go. Make I dey go since you don't tire. Don't go.
She doesn't want to go back to the village.
So what do you intend to do about that?
I promised her that I would take her to Lagos. But the problem right here is that she doesn't have an address of where she's going to, right there in Lagos. I am suspecting that she's one of these timid village girls who wants to run away from the village to Lagos State for greener pasture.
In that case, I suggest you allow her stay here for the meantime. Maybe you can be of help to her. Who knows? But the problem is her pregnancy.
Big sis, I don't even have a problem with the pregnancy. But that girl is so timid. So timid. And naive to adapt to the use of modern facilities.
Well, she will learn with time. She will learn. But that girl is pretty. Hey! And she will make a very good wife.
Big sis, you just met this girl. How do you know about that?
It doesn't matter. See, did you see the way she greeted me and took my bag? And even in her pregnancy, she's looking so pale that you will know that she's going to give birth to a baby boy. She will make a good wife. Hey, Odumma. Okay. Why are you? Hey, what did I say wrong? Hey, oh, you don't like to hear the truth. I want to get so cool, make my party again. My beloved husband. It's been 3 months now. Our daughter left this house. And as we speak, we do not even know where she is. I don't know. What are we going to do now?
Wanya Biko, can I have peace in this house? I was not the one that sent Ogobuchi out of this house. And I will not be bothered one bit to look for her. Whenever she's ready, let her come back. But when she will have issues with me, if anything happens to my grandchild, then I'll show her the stuff I'm made of. I'll show her the other side of midnight. And let me tell you something. This is the last I will hear about this again from you. Because you can narrow.
Agwa mmadụ ka a na-ekwu ihe a isi mmadụ abụọ.
Moko ofu mmadụ ka na aya. Ofu mmadụ ka na aya. Because you tell me ka nkwa aka mmadụ iweta meba. Be fast now.
I'm coming.
Sister, you called.
Yes, I called you to let you know that you're staying in this house. You're just wasting your time. It's a waste of time for you. So you better start planning on how you go back to your father's house. Because soon, this house will not contain you again.
Sister, how can you say that?
I say, how can I say that? Since you cannot give my brother a male child, then what are you doing here? Or you've forgotten that we are from a polygamous home? Do you want him to lose his birthright? You want him to lose everything he inherited from our father to my stepbrother? I won't allow that to happen. No. He is a firstborn, so he needs a son to continue the lineage. Or say, how could you say that?
I'm surprised you are saying this. You're a woman like me. So you know that whatever I give birth to is what your brother, my husband, deposited in me.
Anna Kogeri, woman like you. I have told you my mind. You know, yeah? Just start planning on how to go back. Look at her, woman like you. Acid vagina.
Ogobuchi.
Thank you.
Now for this floor, I lie down. I'm comfortable on the floor.
On the floor? When you have a very comfortable mattress.
Well, this bed is too big. Oga, it's very, very big and I will be lonely on the bed. So, this is a very comfortable place.
I'm sorry, sir. Is she your sister?
Ogobuchi. Sir. Henceforth, please, be lying down here. This room is yours. This mattress is yours. Okay? Make yourself so comfortable.
So, I'm the owner of it. Nobody will share it with
Not
me.
at all. It is yours.
Okay. So, that means I will spread. Now, let me spread like today's bread.
Anyhow you want it. Electrician.
Sir.
Please. The AC has a little fault and this place is kind of hot, okay?
Okay.
Help me fix it up.
I have spread like today's bread.
Ogabuchi, you're still sleeping.
Hamatan.
Hamatan? Oh. The AC. You should have turned it off now.
I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know.
Alright. Next time, just go to the wall and turn off that button, okay?
Is it that already button?
The red one. Okay? Sit up.
God is too much.
Ogobuchi, sit up. But I've turned it off now. Are you okay now?
God is too much.
But I've turned it off.
Okay, let me remove some more. Okay.
Ogobuchi. It's okay. See, your madam has gone out. So take this money, go to the market and buy something to cook.
Okay, I'm okay now. Okay. It's not just about buying the food stuff. The thing is how to cook it.
Don't you know how to cook?
I know how to.
Then cook.
Ogobuchi, what is wrong with you? Do you want to burn down the house?
No.
Now, how many times have I told you there's a gas cooker in this house?
But madam, I tell you, sir, no sabi use all those things wey they use now. Now this one would they use for village and it is sweet firewood food. It is sweet past that's all they use.
How dare you talk back at me? I am telling you something and you are talking back at me.
Madam, no try amo. Don't even try it. No shout from you because I can't cook for you. I believe. I don't go my Lagos nonsense.
What are you saying? Ogobuchi, come back here. Ogobuchi.
See me, rubbish. Can you imagine? Come back to Lagos. I beg anybody. Nonsense. See me see wahala. Yeah? Shout for me next time. I'll give you blow.
Take it easy.
Honey, I am. I just have to rush, go to town, search everywhere. If not for anything, at least for the sake of your born baby.
Okay, hold on. Let me change my footwear so that I will go with you.
Don't bother yourself. You're heavy as well. Stay home and wait for me. I'll be back, okay?
Are you sure?
Come on. I'm sure. Okay? All right, darling.
Be careful.
Sure, I will.
Me, I go hold my breath if you mean to swim my ocean. I've been searching. See, I've been yearning for mine. If you see one strolling down the road, would you give me a call? See, I've been searching. See, I've been fighting for mine. Want to hold you tight, look in your eyes and call you my baby boy. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses, so nothing fit to stop me. If I see ocean, I go cross. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses. Me, I go hold my breath if he mean to swim an ocean. Oh, 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 yeah. Be my woman. Me, I go hold my breath if he mean to swim an ocean. Oh, 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 oh. I go hold my breath if he mean to swim an ocean. I have it all, but I have nothing. My breath is failing me, but I've got so many oxygen in me. I have it all, but I have nothing. My breath is killing me with oxygen. Hopeless and awake, seeking for a sign. Want you in my arms when my life is fading off.
What's in that now? What's in that? Why do you follow me up and down now?
I've been searching for you everywhere. Let's go home, please.
I hold your placenta. Am I with your placenta? What's happened? Leave me, oh. Leave me. Just leave me like this.
Ogo.
Leave me.
Okay. Let's go home. Even if you want to travel now, if you deliver finish, then you can't travel.
Now your pregnancy. Now your belly. See, as I'm like this now, as you see me like this, I will go Lagos. And I'm not moving an inch out of here. I will go to Lagos. What it be that?
Ogo, wait.
Leave me.
I am not against you. I am not against you going to Lagos.
Oga, leave me now. Leave me now.
Fine. When we get home, then you sort out things before going to Lagos.
Okay, wait. Make I ask you. Why your wife they talk to me like that? What is it? Your wife will be shouting on me. Why she gonna shout for me?
Oga, wait.
Oga, leave me, oh.
I will leave you, but hear me out first. I know she's not older than you. I know you're older than her. I know. But even if you want to go to Lagos, we have to plan for it now. Buy you things, buy you clothes, buy you bags.
Did I beg you? Oga, I beg you. I don't want problem. Leave me. I'm not going to your house. I want to go.
Oga, wait.
Oga, leave me now. I don't shout.
Don't shout. Where's your bicycle?
How it take concern you? Not your business.
Oga, wait. I beg, I know you're angry, but please, we can get home first. We can talk about all this thing. I will sort out everything. Okay, she will not insult you again. She won't treat you like a maid again. Trust me. I am going to do this for you. Please. Yeah? Please. It's okay. You're not my sweetheart. Yeah? It's okay. Huh? It's okay. Let's go.
Leave me.
Let's go. Why? Nico, you will get that job.
Boom.
Please. Huh? Let's go.
Might go carry my bicycle now.
What's keeping you now? Hurry up. We don't have time. I am downstairs. Okay.
I appreciate it.
No, I'm glad you like everything that you pick.
You spend money, oh.
So tell me, how did you see the city?
God, this city is very beautiful.
I don't know, so when I get fine places for you.
Like a beautiful place.
Una they enjoy.
Very beautiful place.
Hey.
I just a part of the Delta State, part of Asaba to see. Okay, we have beautiful places around here. This is why I asked you to stay here in Asaba. I don't know why you're struggling to go to Lagos. You see, you can stay here, establish whatever you want to establish, and you can make it big here.
Okay. If now these things where you buy me make you want to bribe me, man, no go Lagos, I go still go to Lagos. I must make it in Lagos. Yes.
Ogobuchi, I am not asking you to go to Lagos. If you want to go to Lagos, of course, you're free to go to Lagos. But the point is, you can actually come up with a business that you want to do. Establish it here, and trust me, you can make it big here. I made my money here in Asaba. Oh, yeah.
Chalokwa, Oga, no vessel. You dey try to tell me, say, I feel make money for this town. So tell I go buy car where they like Mandika. Eh?
Do I look like a poor man to you?
No, you get money, oh. This house big and the chair they very, very expensive.
Good. I made the money here. All my cars, I bought them here. The houses I built right in the village, I made the money here. The houses I built here in the city, I made the money here. So you can stay here and you can as well make your own money here. You don't need to travel to Lagos. That is just the idea. Just come up with an idea, any business you want to do, and trust me, you can establish here. Let's not forget, the doctor said you're not paying attention to the antenatal teachings.
That doctor knows how to speak big grammar. Big grammar. All this their doctor language. If I want to understand one, he will bring another one. Even my baby in my womb is always restless. Anytime he speaks that grammar. I don't understand anything he's saying.
You see, all you need to do is to pay maximum attention to his teaching. Trust me. And if you do not understand something, ask him, he will explain to you.
How will he explain when he's busy chasing his nose buttocks? Also, you'll be looking at that nose that has big buttocks. You'll be looking at the nose and you'll be speaking grammar on top of the nose bomb. Sorry. Buttocks.
Which one did that?
I used to see him. That's why he went to complain to you.
And so you concluded that he's chasing his nurses.
So why is he now following the woman's bomb?
Madam say make you go buy detergent, the big one. I wan use am wash clothes.
Which one they are calling detergent? Kuma? Which one I want?
The big soap. What they for?
Soap.
Yeah, not be soap. Soap.
Okay, I want to. I mean, no washing. I mean, no Colette.
Go buy am.
Now, what did she send me? I mean, I send
Na
me.
madam.
Now, madam. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Abdul! Where is this man? Abdul!
See, I don't go. What's?
Where are you coming from?
Well, then maybe I'll go with you. Say, go buy me detergent.
Are you mad?
No, I know.
And you left the gate open?
No, then no way. I do post some videos.
Where's Ogobuchi?
I should go there for
Go and look for her for me right now.
Okay. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I know see Ogobuchi for inside one.
Hey! That girl made away with the money I left in the drawer.
Money? Hey! Well, there will be no base, because if you decide to put this gate now, we'll have a
You should have thought about that.
Oh, my then.
You left the gate open.
Well, then she telling me
Did I employ you to be going anywhere you want?
Well, then no base.
You see what I'll do to you right now.
I'll go with you, madam. Call them for woman now. What? Go with you for
You keep quiet.
No base. Hello, my God, help me. Hello, my God, help me. Oh, I'll go with you because. Pick what? Okay. I'll go with you. I don't want to go catch your money.
This is an opportunity for me to make the decision of my life. Do I travel to Lagos, or should I find a place in the outskirts of this town and live? I think I have to find a house somewhere. I just have to find a house somewhere around until I deliver. Then I will make plans on how to get to Lagos with my baby in a big way. Now waiting I go to be that. I will settle down, find a business to make profit until I born my baby. I have to make sure that I have a comfortable life for my baby, unlike the one I have in the village.
Abdul.
Oh,
you can go back to your duty post.
Thank you so much. La ilaha illallah Muhammadu Rasulullah.
Darling, what are we going to do now? Do we inform the police?
No. We don't need to involve the police on this. Not at all. It's my instinct. Never lied to me. My instinct tells me that young lady should be on her way to Lagos. That has always been her. The desire to travel to Lagos.
Who does she know in Lagos?
Do I know? See, that girl is so careless. I'm not even bothered about her going to Lagos. I'm bothered about the pregnancy, the unborn child. She's so careless that she may not take care of that baby.
Tell me, let's go and look for her. At least let's drive around town. We might just see her around the corner. Please. If not for anything, for the sake of our unborn child. Please.
I think you made a point here. Ah, let's go.
I have it all, but I have nothing. My breath is failing me, but I've got so many oxygen in me. I have it all, but I have nothing. My breath is killing me with oxygen. Hopeless and awake, seeking for a sign. Want you in my arms when my life is fading off.
The person where they here clean, oh, very clean person.
Houses are always good. There is another one there. Oh, I don't know. I think you will like this one.
Wait, make I check something. This door not away.
Though we usually lock it up when it's night. It's my neighbor's place. That one is up there. Maybe do you want to check it or
no? I like this one.
Don't worry, let me show you that one.
Oh God, I like this one. Why I don't see my spirit say make I stay here.
I know. You have to make your choice. Let's go. Make your choice.
So if I come back, person no go take
No, nobody will
this
take it. Let's just go and see.
Yeah, make we
then
go
you
now.
can make your choice. That one.
Make we go now. It's
I'm
landlord, eh?
Your condition, I don't
like to talk. Oga, I don't like that side. I don't like that side. I beg. Now this side I like. I like this one.
Oh,
this
okay.
one where
You
my
like this
spirit.
one?
Yeah, this one where my spirit don't choose. Now I want.
It's alright, no problem.
Yes. But you go try make you do this door.
I will fix it.
So that if I dey dry, you no go dey carry me the.
I'm telling you.
Now my house be this.
It's your house already. Let's go this way.
Okay.
It's your house.
My house be this. Very clean.
Very, very clean.
Landlord, you try. You are a very clean landlord.
I'm telling you. Like I was telling you.
How many children you get? The children they try.
Yes, I am so happy that you love what you saw. Yes. As you can see, this is a peace-loving compound.
Sorry.
We do not tolerate any form of dirtiness.
I see him.
After all, cleanliness, they say, is next to godliness.
The compound clean well.
Exactly.
That's what it's supposed to be.
You said it. We also do not tolerate any form of quarrel or fighting. The compound gate is locked every day at 10 p.m.
So after 10 p.m. now nobody go and come inside.
Exactly.
Correct.
So whoever is not in the compound as at the time will be
Sleep
locked.
aside.
Exactly. The job in this compound is shared routinely. That includes the washing of the toilets, the bathroom, sweeping the compound, and as well as locking of the gate. The compound secretary will give you the constitution binding your stay in this compound.
You mean to tell me say this compound get secretary? Now office be this.
Exactly.
International.
Our meeting comes up every last Saturday of the month. That is after our general cleanup. So, I don't know, maybe you have any questions to ask?
No, I don't get any question. No. I like the compound. Very, very neat. I like them.
Thank you, sir.
I beg, Oga landlord, where you say the toilet there?
Oh, the other way, I showed you. Just go.
Make us
Then,
just go shit.
okay.
My lunch.
Enjoy yourself.
You understand? Is it not this way?
Yes, that way. You are welcome. Enjoy yourself.
Honey?
Yes, baby.
First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be traveling to Abuja for a very important meeting.
How long are you going to stay this time?
Say 3 weeks or thereabout.
Why now? The doctor said my delivery time is around 10th of this month. I want you to stay around to take care of me.
Don't worry. My sister and your friend Justina will be around to take care of you pending when I come back.
No. I want you to be around to take care of me. I don't want Sister Ned. No, at every little opportunity, she will just shout at me.
You just have to learn how to tolerate her. She's a woman like you. You know, before you say Jack, trust me, I'll be back and I'll take care of you. Come on, baby. Put a smile on your face.
I'll miss you.
And of course, you know I will miss you.
Then try and come back on time.
I will. Come here.
Ow.
Easy. She I love you, right?
Yeah? Where is the food I asked you to get ready for me? When you want to say woman and keep Basra, can it even be your problem?
Why are you this wicked? Why are you heartless and unruffled? Ogobuchi has been missing for the past weeks. You don't want to get in any way involved to find her, your daughter.
Is that why you should not get my food ready? I'm asking you.
Ogobuchi is missing.
So what? Did I send her out of this place? Or when you say Sebapwa? What is my own? Go and get my food ready.
Ogobuchi is pregnant and almost due to deliver her child. You do not want to care about the welfare of your grandchild.
Hey, hold it there. What did you just say about my grandchild? Go and get my food ready.
Food. That is all you care about. Go and look for your grandchild. Go and look for your child.
I never sent her out of here. She will come back. Meanwhile, go get my food ready. I'll go put you. You better go and get my food ready. I'll go put you. Biachakuba, don't waste my time. Huh? Nonsense.
Ogo, what is it? What is it? Hey! Hey! Neighbor, sir! Hey, help! She's the neighbor! Help! Hey! Hey! Neighbor, sir! Hey! Help! She's the neighbor! Help! Hey! Come on! Neighbor, sir! Help!
What's happening now? Thank God you are here. Look after her. She's in labor. Let me go and get the car. I'm coming. Let's go to your mother. I don't. Sorry, go. What? Let's teach your mother. Sorry. Sorry, mother.
We need to go and raise some money to get the necessary things needed in the hospital.
Well, I think you have a point. You are correct.
Okay, that's a good idea. In that case, let me stay back and look after her when you guys go and look for the money.
Okay, no big deal. At least she's our neighbor. We need to assist her.
Okay.
Shall we?
Let's go.
Okay.
You have to consider this, Rose. Let it be between us. As far as I'm concerned, we have never met.
This is business. I take it seriously. Everything will be taken care of. So, can I go now before my colleagues start looking for me?
No more things.
Okay.
I want you to get me all the necessary information about that lady.
You didn't pay for that. Is it necessary? And sorry, I can't, because in this kind of a deal, it is boycotted for future implications. So I can't.
He who pays the piper details the truth. Don't worry, just do what I have to do. I'll pay for it. Deal?
Settled. So can I go now?
Sure.
Alright, have a nice day.
Madam, please sit down. Just relax.
You're the one that brought the lady on word for.
Yes. How is she?
Oh, congratulations. She has given birth.
Hey! Thank God, though. Please come on and see.
Sure.
Landlord. She dey sleep. Oga landlord, this one where you come see me this early morning. Hope say I dey safe.
You are very safe. You see, I am going around my houses checking on my tenants. So I said, let me come and check on you and see how you are faring.
Oga landlord, you be good man, and na God go bless you for me. Make I offer you something.
Oh, no, not yet. How is our child?
My baby girl, dey fine. She dey very fine. She dey sleep. I just finished breastfeeding.
There is something I want us to discuss.
You
know...
No, please sit down. Oga landlord, where I dey come from, we no dey allow elders stand when they wan give important information.
Good.
They must sit down.
Thank you so much.
So wetin be the problem?
Like what I was saying, you know, you are a woman, and times are hard. It will be very difficult for you to take care of the child. Alone. That is why I'm here.
You be like say God send you, because things dey hard.
Exactly.
He hard though.
That is why God sent me to you. In fact, I will even go to the extent of removing some money from the money you pay as your rent, just for you. I mean, if you can just be with me, I will make sure everything...
Oga landlord, wait. Get wetin you talk. If they say you go rewind am, you say you go remove. I don't understand.
I said, okay, now for you to understand what I'm saying. I said, I will go to the extent of removing some money from the money you pay on your rent. And to start with, this is 3,000 naira. Use it to buy baby food for your child.
Hey, okay,
Yes.
3,000.
Yes.
This one go reach buy baby pampers. Oh. Never, sir. Never. See.
You shut it. I just want you to use it to buy baby food for your child.
Na better thing. I want me people go and celebrate.
Wait. Allow me finish. By the time we start in this relationship, you will begin to get bigger and bigger money. Even you will even be a surprise to yourself.
Come, Oga, I say you don't marry. I say you marry man.
Married? Do you call that one marriage? That woman was forced on me when I went to work. Can't you see the child? Does he behave like me? That one that behaves like a criminal? He is not as industrious as I am. Just calm down, eh? You and I, we will soon understand what happened.
Oga landlord. Oga landlord.
I'm here.
So now 3,000 naira I want take
No.
enter me. I'm not cheap, oh. I'm not cheap. This 3,000 naira. You say I did because I did in a good mood. I forgive you this money back. Because I did in a good mood. Oga landlord, listen. Go back to your house. Go and meet your wife. Go sleep with your wife. You see me as I did like this. I'm not cheap. I'm not cheap.
You don't understand what I was saying. This is just a start. You get bigger ones.
Oga landlord, I not one verse. I get bad temper. Ha! Sure? Yours.
I went to that place a few days ago. The girl, she was enjoying everything the mother gives to her.
Well, that is how it should be, my friend. Lizzie, don't worry. So how is Junior? Hope he's kicking.
That is the problem. Junior is the other way around. He doesn't eat. He doesn't sleep. Okay, I heard that children craves for breast milk. Junior belly suckle. We have to fight and fight before he can even take a sip. I'm worried. I'm very worried.
Relax. Lizzie, relax. Some babies are like that. Don't worry. He will soon come up, okay? How is the nanny? I mean Amara.
Oh, she's inside. This one I'm not hearing Junior's voice. Finally he has fallen asleep.
It's a good one there. Don't worry, Lizzie. He will learn how to eat with time.
Justin, I pray so.
Very soon.
Even the father complains. He keeps crying. We can't sleep. That's the joy of motherhood, baby. Oh, please. Mommy. Wait. Mommy.
Why are you standing in the way?
Now, let us go to the city. Let us go to the city. You have relations in the city. Let us go to the city and find our daughter. Whether Lagos, Rivers, Port Harcourt, Kano, Abuja, wherever she is, let us go and look for her. I am tired of being childless. I am tired. She's my only child.
Listen, for over 5 months, I have searched for that daughter of yours. All to no avail. I am tired. I have gone to Afa. Afa revealed to me that she's okay. What is your problem? Listen, all this agitation has stopped.
Agitation should stop. When you want something from government, you protest. You agitate. Now I'm agitating.
Do I look like government to you?
You are my government, my first government. Let us go to the city. You know your way to the city. You have relations. Let us go and find my daughter. My daughter is missing. I am tired of being childless. I've told you this before. I don't know. Let us go and find my daughter. Why are you this wicked? Why are you all ruffled? Why are you like this?
Maybe your daughter needed a change of environment. And she did. Is that a problem? Why are you stressing yourself?
Then she should reach out to me that she did a change of environment. Your Alpha told you. Did Alpha tell me as well?
Please let me go.
You are not going anywhere. The road is blocked. The gate is blocked. You can see it is under lock and key. You're not going anywhere until I know the whereabouts of my child. What is that?
Stop daring me in this house.
Hey!
Stop daring me in this house.
Once you hand me my child, no more daring. Okay. I want my daughter. Oh. I want my daughter. Alpha did not tell me anything. Oh. Do you think you have peace in this house?
Oga teacher. Oga teacher, I hope everything is okay.
Yes, everything is okay. Very well, everything is okay.
You did not go to school today?
No, now midterm now. You know, we normally have midterm. But in the evening, I'll be riding my taxi in the evening.
Okay.
I'll be riding my taxi.
Okay, so how can I help you?
There's something I've been wanting to tell you all this while. You see, the love I have for you, in fact, I love you so much. So much. In fact, and there's something I want you to do for me.
Wait, teacher. See, I no go see for this compound. Teacher, you miss your road.
And we see, wait.
You just say you know where you dey come.
See, wait first, I'm not sure.
Auntie say you don't marry. Auntie say you get wife.
Wait, my wife, see, before God and man, my wife has not even allowed me to access her for about 5 months now. In fact, marry me. In fact, marry me.
Make I marry you.
So we have rest of mind.
Make I marry you.
And marry me, please.
Teacher, come dey go. Carry this your punk. Just dey go. I no one verse.
Sissy, come, calm down.
I just don't want verse this night. I beg.
You see this? This one is my salary, my hard-earned money. This one. You see the way how cool it is. I want to give it to you. Just only allow me to access. Accessibility.
Now your salary be this?
Yes.
Your salary?
Yes, my salary.
You
my
want to give me your
hard-earned money.
Plenty. You come dey go your house, No show today, come tomorrow.
Abeg. We know fuel don't come down. How much na talk? I won't buy. How much for groundnut? 100 naira do, madam. Abeg. See, fuel don't get as it be. You know, say this time now, Tinubu na don hard for everything. This country get as it be. Abeg. Madam, you know, say the banana for me. Madam, abeg, na be your customer.
What is good about this afternoon? And why you coming this early?
And why is this thing still full? You didn't sell anything?
The road was too busy, and the sun, it was too much.
The sun was too much. I don't understand. I gave you these things filled up for you to sell so that we can eat. This is what I used to train you to this level. I told you to sell these things and you're telling me that the sun was too hot. I don't understand what you're saying.
Honey, you're shouting.
Why won't I shout? Why won't I shout? What is wrong with you? Honestly, I don't even know if you're my daughter. Because I don't know how I gave birth to a very lazy girl. What is there to sell these things? As young as you are. Eh? Okay, what are we going to eat?
I bought noodles for myself. Bought noodles.
You bought noodles with the little money you realized from the groundnut you sold. Eh? Uro, is that how you... is this how you want to live? Is this how we are going to live?
I don't like suffering. No.
You don't like suffering? I'm not sure you're my daughter. I'm not sure you're my daughter. Because my daughter will not do this. My daughter will not do this. Knowing fully well that we have not eaten. My daughter will not do this.
What's the meaning of this?
Nothing. I'm just helping myself out. Want to join me?
Helping yourself out? Breaking palm kernel in my own house? Shino, are you hungry?
No. I'm just craving for palm kernel. Can't somebody eat what he wants when he wants it?
Are you okay? Huh? Is anything wrong with you? Have you lost your mind? Hey, my friend, get inside. I said, get inside! Get inside, my friend! You're moping at me. Get inside! What is wrong with this one?
Mom, he called me.
Junior, why have you refused to go to school? Eh?
Mom, have you ever heard of the word Malians before? But that's by the way, I know you won't even know the meaning. See, I've told you times without number, everybody must not be a graduate. I've told you I want to learn a trade, I want to hustle for myself. Why can't you and Dad just understand that?
Young man, that's not possible. See, your father is a well-to-do man, so you need to be a graduate. So when he's weak and cannot carry on with the family's affair, you will step into his shoes. So it's going to be our way and no other way.
Says who?
Me, your mother.
Mom, I can remember the story you told me. You said my grandfather was poor, then my dad hustled to make his own money. I want to do so for myself. Yes, I want to hustle for my own self. And if I must go to school, at least I should be able to pay for my training.
Son, what is the problem? What is the problem? You're a very bright boy. You are intelligent. Why is it hard for you to just go to school?
Mom, I want to be my own person. I want to be the boss of my own. I want to do my things in my own way. Why can't you people allow me to just do it?
Young man, I'm still talking to you. Come back here. Junior, what? Junior! Junior!
wrong with this boy? Eh?
Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
How much are your bananas?
Okay, this one is for 1,000 and this one are for 1,500.
Okay. You look tired.
Yes, ma. I've been on the road since.
Okay. I'll buy them.
Ah.
Oh yes, I will.
Ha! Thank you, ma.
It's okay. Let me have them.
I don't have nylon.
It's okay. Just give it to me. Okay. Let me have them.
Thank you.
Hold on. Here you go. Go. Alright.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah. Which area are you going to? I can drop you.
My house is down there, but don't worry, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm in a hurry. That's why I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Sorry for yourself.
Oh, sorry. I won't believe you. Come on, let me drop you now. Hello?
My only daughter is gone. My only hope to sustain my family's posterity. For so many years, Gobuchi is nowhere to be found.
And nobody knows her whereabouts. That is the most painful aspect of this whole thing. Whether she's dead, we do not know. Whether she's alive, we do not know. Nobody knows anything.
If only God can bring back Ogobuchi, that will be my last wish before I join my ancestors.
And I don't talk about these ancestors now. And I have given you issues, multiple issues over this matter. I've even denied you food. Now I beg you, try and eat something. You're my only hope, my last hope. I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Try and eat something, I beg you. Yes, I beg you.
I like how you massage the leg.
Yeah, right?
Ah, it's
Good. This is just the best way to go.
Junior! Junior! What happened? Why are you looking tattered?
You know what happens to you? Why are you looking so unkempt?
Nothing happened. I went to work.
And what kind of work did you do that made you look so dirty?
I went to serve at the building site at the next street.
I beg your pardon? You did what?
You heard me, Mom.
Junior, 4 days ago, I gave you 100,000 naira for you to go for shopping. And I remembered vividly that I gave you another 50,000 naira today for your upkeep. That's to tell me, why have you chosen to bring disgrace upon this family?
I want to make my own money my own way. For how long will I continue to depend on you? Malians break protocols anyway. At least I can say I'm making money for myself.
Young man, there are so many honorable ways to make money. Why do you choose to do bricklaying?
Honey, did you hear him at all? Now, after all, Malians break protocols. That is to say that he's a Malian. Junior, was that why you refused to go to school? To become a professional, something meaningful in this life? Was that the reason you don't want to be useful to yourself? Why have you chosen to bring disgrace upon this family, Junior? Why?
You should just leave me to. Let me do what I want. Let me live my life the way I want it.
I be quiet, young man. Honey, it's okay. Calm down, okay? I believe with time he will come back to his senses and realize his mistake. Okay? Just calm down.
This young boy has been giving me headache from the day he was born.
Just calm down. He's only but a boy. He's playing out his age.
His age? This young man that can get a lady pregnant. This old man.
Honey, calm down. Calm down. Eh? Okay, I'll talk to him. I will talk to him and I know he will change. He will change. Eh, let me continue massaging.
You mean you made me leave everything I was doing to come here just for this?
Sister, is this not enough reason for me to invite you to come over? My only son is becoming irresponsible every day. And I invited you to come over to talk to him.
You and I know that history has it that your grandfather, my grandfather, who was a brave man and a great warrior, that he even fought in the Second World War in Burma, India, behaves just like your son. He's your son's reincarnate. Your son's name should be Nana.
Come on, sister. Come on, sister. I can't believe at your level, with your education and exposure, that you can believe in this reincarnation of a thing, this bullshit of a thing called reincarnation. Sister, come on now. Sister, please, all I want you to do is to sit him down. Talk to him. Sister, he's my only son. Please.
It's okay. I will talk to him. Oh?
Sister, thank you so much. You know, with your knowledge in guidance and counseling, I want you to counsel him. Talk to him. Let him come back to his senses.
No problem. I told you I will talk to him and he will come back to normal. He will change.
You can't imagine, at this level, at that age, he knows all the whole white men who are school drop out. Every now and then you hear him talk about Steve Jobs, what's the name of this one that invented a computer, Bill Gates, and others, at his age.
Hey, it's well. Don't worry. No, Steve Jones.
The last time I was here with my wife, and he looked us in the eyes and called himself a Malian.
Eh?
Oh yes. You can imagine my son calling himself a Malian before me. Sister, please, you have to let him know that he has to bear his real name, not Malian.
What?
Eh?
Problem. Malian. Malian now about 4 months.
Eh?
No,
Eh?
don't worry, I will talk with him. I will. He must change. No, no.
He has to change you. I've not seen any school dropout that made it in Nigeria.
Who is there?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who are you looking for?
My name is Maswe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here to see Uru, ma'am.
Uru?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, no problem.
Not at all. Actually, she's my friend.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Friend. Uru! Uru!
Mama.
Come out, there's someone here to see you. Oh. So, Master, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Mama, this is Mr. Maxwell. Mr. Maxwell, this is my mother.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me about yourself.
But I've told you everything already.
Yes, you told me what you want me to know. So I'd like to know more about your father.
Well, I never get to know him. My mother doesn't like discussing about him. So I didn't bother to know his identity either. All my worries right now is to struggle for survival, to make ends come true. And I want to go to school.
I'm sorry about your dad. Talking about school, would you like to go to university?
Of course. In fact, the other day you almost struck me down with your car. That's what I was thinking.
Wow. Oh, listen. I believe everything is attainable in life if you put your mind to it. As regards your school, I will try my possible best to assist you in any way I can. After all, you are my friend.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're actually beautiful.
Yeah, so you must have breakfast before leaving the house today.
Of course.
Yeah.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Mom.
Junior, you go to the kitchen and take your tea.
Oh, every time tea. Can't we take something solid for once in this house? We're Africans, for Christ's sake.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that can't we take something like pounded yam with egusi or okra soup?
In the morning.
Okay, what about bampap or yam and vegetable? Mom.
Junior, don't you like these foods again?
Mommy, I don't like it.
My friend, go to the kitchen and take your food. Go to the kitchen and take your food, my friend!
I don't like it though.
Honey, it's okay, please. Please. Thank you.
This boy just made me lose my appetite.
Sorry. Please just eat, even if it's a bite. Can you eat now? Please.
Junior, what is wrong? Why are you taking medication?
I told you eating that food was not a good idea, but you wouldn't listen. Now I'm having running stomach.
Sorry. Sorry, here. Hey, but you shouldn't resort to self-medication. Next time when something like this happens, you tell me, okay? I'll just quickly call the doctor to come and check you out. I'm sorry, okay? Yeah, hold on, I'm coming. Let me get my phone.
Where are you coming from?
I was summoned by elders in council to testify the whereabouts of our daughter, Ogobuchi. You know, the Ibeh's last Ofala is fast approaching, and it will be an error to perform a stale burial before the Ofala.
God forbid. My child is not dead. Our child is not dead.
That's exactly what I said, and nobody believed me. How then can I explain that Ogobuchi is still alive when she has not visited us here in the village since she left years ago? I'm confused. I'm heartbroken. Just imagine the pain she's causing me. What have I done to deserve all this?
My husband, I understand everything you just said. I understand the pain you're going through because I'm equally feeling the same pain. Don't worry about it. Our daughter is not dead. Remember what the seer said? That our daughter is fine. Trust me, she will come back to us. It's okay. It's okay. Don't take it to heart. It's okay.
So tell me, how have you been enjoying since you returned?
Well, it's been wonderful, I must say. Just that I was expecting some little changes. The environment, the area, it's still the same.
Story of our life. That's what we pass through every day. On a more serious note, how is the search for a life partner? You know, somebody to spend the rest of your life with. You know, that's one of the main reasons you came back to Nigeria.
You're right, actually. About that, I met this girl recently. She seems like a very cool, pretty girl. We're still getting to know each other.
Why still getting? Just
I relax now.
okay.
Anyway, like I said, as soon as I get to know her, I'll bring her to you so that she can meet you.
Okay, that would be nice. I can't wait to meet her. But just me, how is she like? Is she a graduate? Who are her parents? What does she do for a living? Is she tall on the slim side? Is she tall or dark?
Sister.
Okay, I'm calm.
Take it
I
easy.
can't wait.
This thing is a one step at a time.
I know.
You heard me, like I just met her, so we're still getting to know each other. As long as we get acquainted, I will definitely bring her to you for you to do your normal assessments and all that. Also for her to meet your husband.
Of course. I'll be glad to welcome her so that I'll get to know her. She's a good girl. I'll welcome her because you're my favorite brother. So that's it. You're welcome.
Alright. So how is everything around?
So I was just getting ready because I want to go for something down there.
I have asked you about this young man. And you're yet to tell me his true intentions. You're pretending like you don't know what this man wants. What exactly does he want?
I don't understand though.
Don't understand. This man has stopped you from going to the markets. He has paid for your tertiary matriculation examination. He has been supporting you financially. There is something there. So talk to your mother. I'm your mother, I will not deceive you. So tell me, what does he want? What does he truly want? Talk to your mother.
The truth is that I don't know. But he has been singing the songs of love to my hearing.
You're a beautiful girl. Yes, too. If you do not know the handwriting on the wall, I do. Of course. I was your age now. You're talking as if, and I was hot when I was your age. Listen, my daughter.
Mama.
I know I did not give you the best. But when I see a good one, I know. And because of I did not give you the best, I will not let this opportunity slip off your fingers. Everything you do in life is wisdom. Akonuche. If we must go to the village to see grandmother, we have to go rich. Akonuche. You understand?
See, don't worry. I will not let you down.
You cannot let me down because I'm here to guide you. That's because that young man, he look at his shoe. Did you see his shoe? Very expensive under the glass. Glass.
So your eyes are even there.
You think I don't know better thing? Me, in my days, I am hot. I am very hot. Don't try me, oh. It's just that money, if money comes.
I don't understand. Play my cards well. How?
First of all, your mother na better chair. Confirm one. She dey cook well well. But it dey surprise me say the other day they cook rice and chicken. You know chop. I say she can't cook vegetable spaghetti with that crayfish wey big like this. Wetin dey call that crayfish again? Pronto. You got that? You know, I know sabi all those things now, village, but wetin I know. I come dey surprise you no eat them. You come here, come dey follow me, dey drink garri. The one wey even shock me that one wey you come and tell me I come escort you go bush, go shit. I say, lifestyle wey I live for village, come city. Now you wan go dey do. I don't understand though. Wetin dey do you? Try dey package yourself small. I don't know.
This is where you're getting it all wrong. Okay? This is about what I like.
So wetin?
To you now, drinking garri is a sign of poverty. But to me, it's about my choice, my lifestyle.
No talk am again. Say drinking garri no be sign of poverty. No talk. Who tell you? This is na better ogbonge sign of poverty. You know wetin you dey talk? That one I know this one I dey village. Like this small. Morning, afternoon, night, garri. You dey tell me say no be sign of na poverty. See, if you wan know enjoyment, na fried rice and confirmed chicken. Those dry chicken. You know, don't tell me that thing again, no.
Hi.
Try to package yourself small.
Wait,
God don't bless you.
Wait, now, so you're not enjoying like this?
Enjoyment. This is a punishment they give me for here. You don't know. Nah, it's because I don't get choice.
Oh God.
See what happened be say.
Mom, I'm not hungry. I'm here.
No try that thing you want to do now. No try. You say wetin, you know they hungry. See, even if you no go chop am, bring am make I chop am. If you don't give me the food. You say wetin?
Oh yeah, let's just eat abeg. Let's eat.
See, you know what? I don't vex. As it stands now, we go do some more thing. You get me do me one favor. You go come dey live my own lifestyle, make I dey live your own. Na so you go sweet us. You go my village, go dey live that lifestyle. Me, I go dey papa house, dey enjoy. You like am?
Okay, you're crazy. Let's eat.
No, just promise me say okay, I go help. Just do am for me now. I got.
Let's just eat.
Okay, after this guy, you still give me the food. Make I.
This man.
You don't like better thing.
No problem.
Uru. Are you not dressed? Huh? You heard me. Are you not dressed?
Dressed for what?
Dressed to go and sell these things now. Eh?
No, Biko. No. I'm not in for that today, please. So this hot sun has started descending on me again today.
This is what I trained you with. I trained you with these things on my head. Help your mommy now. Help me now. We need money. I've been praying to God so that He will send a helper that will help us out of this poverty. Hey, Biko, help me now, please. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. God, Unu na-eme meeting? Unu na-eme meeting? Here. God, I beg you. Let God just bring one helper that will help us out of this poverty. Is this not where the Lagos I want to go to? Look at where I ended. This is the Lagos. Biko Uru, hurry up, please. Thank you.
have told you to stop this business. Hawking is not good for you. Ask me anything, I will give it to you. I want to take care of you.
It's not that easy as you think. This hawking business is what my mother used in training me to this level. Except you find a new business for us. A business acceptable by my mother. Then.
See, listen. I understand. But I insist. I want you to stop this business. I will take care of you. I'm going to give you anything you want. You're a fine girl and this business is not good for you.
It's not that I love doing it too, but I can't disobey my mother. I can't disobey her whenever she sends me on an errand.
I understand. It's about your mother. You know what? Come inside my car. Let me take you to your house. I want to put an end to all of this. Yes, come inside. Let's go and see your mother. Come. Don't worry, you're safe. Come, let's go.
Me, I go hold my breath if you meant to swim my ocean. I go hold my breath if you meant to swim my ocean. No, I have it all, but I have nothing. My breath is failing me, but I've got so many oxygen in me. I have it all, but I have nothing. My breath is killing me with oxygen.
Maxwell, I have heard what you said. And honestly, I thank God for a day like this, for bringing you into our lives. I have heard what you said, like I said. As for the hawking, it stops today.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's important she stop hawking. As for her school, we still need to wait for the aptitude exam. We have to wait for the result to know the school she will attend.
Chai. Hey, Chimo. Nekwanu. Hey, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Maxwell, God will bless you.
Amen.
God will replenish your pockets. Your pockets will never run dry.
Amen.
Thank you very much. For your second request, it's not up to me to answer. It's left for her. So I will ask her. Uru.
Ma.
Do you like him?
Yes.
No.
Yes, I do.
Would you like to marry him?
God, this girl has grown up to a very pretty girl. It all started like a joke, and today it has turned to a mistake that cannot be corrected. My daughter, my own blood, is suffering in the hands of poverty. What do I do? How do I make amends? Junior has just grown up to be a never-do-well. I must do something about this. I cannot allow her, my own blood, to continue in such suffering. But she is too far from me, even though she appears to be reachable. God, please help me. Help me.
You said you saw our daughter in Asaba.
Yes.
Are you sure?
It's just a baby. Why are you asking if he's sure? He knows our daughter once he sees her. That is not the right question now. Please don't do things like that.
Well, I came for the Igwe's burial that everyone is preparing for. After the burial, maybe you all will follow me to Asaba, so that you will see your daughter.
Igwe's last of Fala will last for another 7 days. So you mean we are going to stay here for another 7 days before seeing our daughter? Mbana, what do you be thinking now? He's saying to us is we have to go and see our daughter ourselves. We can go.
Woman, calm down. The good news here is that our daughter has been found. She's alive. Nah, thank you so much, oh.
No problem.
So, when are we leaving?
We'll leave us after the off.
Hey, Mbana! Who's your Fala? Igwe is dead and gone. Let the dead bury themselves. We are living. Let's talk about the thing. My daughter is alive. She should be the one to be talking about.
Let's go.
Let's go. Madonna, run, mama. Let's go, Nai. Let's go.
What's the meaning of that nonsense I saw you perform out there today?
I should be the one asking you. What's the meaning of that disgrace you gave me there?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you?
Mom.
Yes, and I will slap you again because I think I need to reset your brain. You're going gaga. Come back here, I'm still talking to you, wrong man.
What have I gotten myself into? What is this? Oh.
Junior, I want us to talk like more than a child, okay?
Okay, so what do you want to talk about?
It's about you. The way you've chosen to live your life. I don't like it. It's breaking my heart.
Mom, I don't understand.
The problem we have with you is your character. See, your father and I tried to give you the best life has to offer. But you keep doing things that bring shame to this family. You have refused to go to school. You've even refused to study the skills in your father's company. Junior, you're your father's next of kin and you need to behave as such.
Mom, I've told you many times. We both have our lives to live. My father is my father and I am myself. So we say the same thing every day.
Junior, I love you. And that is why I'm talking to you with love. See, your birth into this family revived my already threatened marriage. And I wouldn't want you to keep disappointing me. Please, son.
My dad worked it out his own way. Allow me to work it out my own way. I have dreams.
Okay. I'm sorry. Mom is sorry. Now tell me, what are your dreams?
Well, since you want to know, I want to own a transportation company.
It's very easy. Very easy. Your dad can actually open as many as you want. All you need to show him is you are a changed person.
I don't want to depend on my father's past glories. My mindset is rich. Mom, you should be thankful to God that you have an industrious son like me.
Junior.
Big 2. General Market.
Guy, how far? You just say you know the cheat.
Which one beside I dey show whether I know the cheat? I sabi this game pass you now. Which kind of question be that one? Last card. Last card. I know say you no get am. Check up. Wetin be this one now? Wetin be this one now, Junior?
Calm down now. You say you go give me discount now. It's not my discount.
We dey sell crayfish for here. Which one be discount? We don play game. We agree. I don win. Give me my money.
Guy, this one is my discount now. I'm not hold this one. I don't do win since.
Which one be discount now, Junior? Which one be discount? Give me my money.
Why
they put my pocket now? Why they put my money for pocket?
Hey, calm down now.
Give me my money.
What did they want you now?
No, wetin be this one now? No,
Hey,
allow
calm
me
down
phone.
now.
Wait, no, allow me phone now.
Calm down. What's going on here? Stop! What is it? Hey, young man. Who are you?
Me and Junior just play gamble for here. I don't win. He no one give me my money.
Junior. Who is he? My guy. Your guy. Get out of my house.
Oga, I no go anywhere. May first give me my money. Junior, give me my money.
I said get out of my house! Have you seen it? Have you seen the kind of disrespect you are bringing to me? My person, my personality! You're gambling in my house. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Junior, tell me, what haven't I done for you? What haven't I done for you to be happy, Junior? Why have you chosen to disrespect me? To drag my name on the mud? What did I do to you? Young man, leave my house now.
Junior, I go come back. I don't understand.
One more word from you!
Junior, I go, but I'll come back for my money. I don't understand. Why we go play game finish? They tell me discount. We dey sell crayfish, and they come back for my money. I go, but I'll come back for my money. Which one be leave your house? And they come back for my money.
Did you see that?
Do you like what you're doing to my person? Are you satisfied now? Are you happy? Get inside. Ali? Ali? Ali! Henceforth, I do not want to see anyone who will come into my compound to see Junior. And I do not want to see Junior step out of this compound.
Okay, make Junior no go outside.
You heard me well.
You know come out for him. I'm me in charge.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Ali?
Sir?
If you flaunt my order, you lose your job.
This is my job. Okay, I no go talk am Junior pass this gate here. I like my job. Okay, I no go. I go tell him. Okay, no fear. No, this gate. You no go cross am.
Get back.
Mad go. Thank you, sir.
Junior.
You will do it for me.
See, Mama, me, I cannot go. Besides, you promised Maxwell that you stop sending me hawking.
Hey, I promised him. But we cannot keep waiting for Maxwell to give us 1 naira, 2 naira. You have to go out there. See, this thing that you're selling now is what I used to train you in secondary school. It's what I trained it to be this way. I've used it to feed you. So you cannot, it's not Maxwell that will determine whether we're going to sell or we're not going to sell. So don't leave that talk. You will go and sell this thing for me, Biko. This last time, you just go and sell it for me.
Ma'am, I'm not going. You can take it to your shop. Take it to your shop and sell it there now.
Will you shut up your mouth? I'm even telling you that. I'm even keeping quiet for you. What's wrong with you? Do you think I like to depend on anybody? I have never depended on anybody. I've always fought for myself. Like I said, I use this business to train you in school. So I will not wait for this small money that Master will come and give to me before I'll know what to do with our lives. Just try. If I just try, am I even begging you? Will you sell this thing today? You are mad. You are very silly. Master will only give us small money, but we need to hustle for our own. You will not disobey me. You will do it. Shut! I don't want to hear that nonsense. What's wrong with you? Somebody you just met, you want to respect the person over your mother. Are you okay? You're silly. If I slap you, If I slap you.
Ali? Ali?
Good afternoon.
Where is Junior?
Okay, you know the inside.
Are you asking me that stupid question?
Sorry, sir. I beg no vex. I'm sorry, sir.
I ask you again, where is Junior?
Okay, he be saying come out too. He be saying come out.
You be like saying come out.
Okay, I don't know.
Ali?
Okay, I don't know. I've been there inside the sheet. I don't know.
Ali, are you okay?
Okay.
Why did I employ in this house?
Okay, that's to secure this house.
To secure this house?
Yes, sir.
And I ask you for the last time, where is Junior?
Okay, the sheet.
That doesn't answer my question, Ali. What's the problem with you? Huh? What's the problem with you?
Okay, the sheet when
you are in this house and you not sneak out of my house without you knowing.
Okay, the sheet now, the sheet. Okay,
you're fired.
Sir?
Open the gate for me.
Okay, I'll be doing that for my family.
I do not want to repeat myself. I said open the gate for me.
Okay, sir.
say? Sweet what? Banana. Hey, come on, there, mama. See this girl. Where they go? Come on, where they go? Come on.
How much be your
banana? Come on, carry that thing down. Come on. Come on, go down. Go down. Come on. That ground. Where that money? Where that money? Put that money. Sure.
What's the problem?
They took my money.
Just hold on.
Give me that money, I'll give my shower. With the what? I'll give my shower down. Give my shower with the what?
No, my own share now.
Which share?
No, my own share now.
Which share?
I always see gas collect. What you see and what you want collect? No, calm down.
I don't give you the money. I'll give you
money. No, this. Come on, give me money. What? Bring the money. Bring the money. Jones. Bring the money also. See your face like this. The Jones. Bring the money. Bring him. The Jones. Just break him now.
Hey, boss. I've got one thing.
Come on, die it also.
I've got one thing.
Come on, die it.
I've got one thing.
Your brain no big.
Small. They had a zoo.
See, if not with this blockhouse when kick me, you think say.
Where did you say you sent her to?
I sent her to go and buy something for me. I don't know what is keeping her. What is even keeping her? But she should be on her way back. She doesn't used to stay till this late. I don't know what is going on. I don't know where she went to. I just told her, go and buy me something. Use the money and buy me something that I used to use in the house. But is there a problem? Any problem?
There's no problem, ma'am. Just that we had plans of... I was supposed to introduce her to my sister today. Yes, I want her to meet my sister and her husband.
Okay, she'll soon be on her way coming. I don't know, just go out there, buy me something, come back home and stay. I don't know what is keeping her, but I'm sure, like I said, she will be on her way coming. Hi. Oh. Uru, where are you? It's taking long since I sent her on this errand. Since. This phone. It's even her. Hello? Uru, where are you?
Are you the mother of the owner of this phone?
Who is talking? Who is this? Give Uru the phone. Where is Uru?
Your daughter just got knocked down by a vehicle. Please come to St. Mary's Hospital.
Jesus.
Mama, what?
Hey, Jesus. Accident.
Accident? Is she okay?
Uru. They said Uru she got into an accident and they rushed her to St. Mary's Hospital.
St. Mary's? Let's go.
Wait. Wait. St. Mary's Hospital.
Is she okay?
Wait, let me lock the door. Let me lock the door. Hey, St. Mary's Hospital.
Is she okay?
I don't know. They said it's in St. Mary's Hospital! St. Mary's Hospital! Hey!
What? An accident? Where? How? When? Alright, alright. I'll be there right away. I'll be there.
Dad, you're here.
Junior, you said you had an accident.
Not me. A friend of mine.
Doctor, how is she?
She'll be fine. She was brought here unconscious, but she's responding to treatments.
Thank you. Please, doctor, do everything humanly possible for her to be alive. And please, do not get the police involved, please.
It's okay. We'll try our best. I'll be in my office now.
Do you know what happened?
I don't know. I'm just helping her as a good Samaritan.
You lied. You know you lied. Huh?
Dad, I'm saying the truth.
You're not saying any truth. You are not, and you know. When will you stop putting me in trouble? When?
Dad, just believe me.
Why should I believe you in the first place? Have you...
Hey! Jesus! Mama! What happened to you? What happened to her?
Agogo.
Oh God.
Agogo.
Jesus! Good evening. Good morning. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Maxwell. Where did you get her from?
Uncle, I'm supposed to introduce someone to you today as my wife to be. She's the girl. She's her mother.
Master, who is it to you?
He's my in-law.
Hey!
Uncle, you know her?
Yes. I know her. She's a thief. She stole my money and ran away. Ogobuchi. Ogobuchi.
You're waiting.
Eh? Sister?
You said... No. What did you just say?
Not again. Not again.
do I tell my husband? What do I tell my husband? You know my marriage is already threatened. How will I face him? I face him.
You need to stop crying. Let's try option B. Please, calm down. Lizzie. Lizzie, don't worry yourself. Calm down. I know how you feel. Please, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. It's okay. Let's try option B, okay?
Okay. It's okay.
You're making me so emotional right now. Please, do you want me to cry? It's okay.
Okay.
Let's try option B, okay? Good.
Okay. What's option B?
I heard a woman just delivered a baby boy on phone. We need to pay one of the nurses for an exchange. That's if you need a baby. Shh! What is wrong with you? Why are you screaming? Do you want your husband to throw you out of his house?
No.
Then you need to comport yourself. You need to do this to save your marriage. Lizzie, put yourself together.
I'm doing it.
It's okay. Please, it's okay.
I'm calm.
You hurt yourself.
I'm calm. Okay. What did happen to my daughter? What about my daughter?
Forget about her. Leave her to her fate.
No.
Calm down, Lizzie. Put yourself together, please. You just have to.
No.
I won't lead you astray. You need to do this. Do this to save your home.
That would be so inhuman. Can I leave my daughter? My daughter. Oh.
I can't lead you astray. I'm your friend. I will never lead you astray. Do this. Save your marriage. Save yourself from that shame. Do this. Don't hurt yourself. I know how you feel. Please don't hurt yourself. Are you in?
My love, please forgive me. I'm sorry, please. I did it because I love you. Please forgive me. Please.
Hi.
Please forgive me. Please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, nurse. Okay.
I'm looking for my daughter.
Who is your daughter?
Her name is Ogobuchi.
Mr. Ogobuchi. I did not know that kind of person.
No, OC actually took us to our house.
Okay.
And they said her child had an accident and they rushed the child to this hospital. Check well, please.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ogobuchi. That's your son?
This is my face.
So finally. Finally. I never knew that a day like this would come.
And he came.
Good to see.
Such a fantastic
My brain they calculate small. I don't know who put them there, but it's a blessing. At least I know go feel alone. Something they tell me say na destiny. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses, so nothing fit to stop me. If I see ocean, I go cross. Lagos, yeah, I come. I go journey like Moses. Me, I go hold my breath if you mean to swim an ocean. I've been searching. See, I've been yearning for my